Okay, let's go fishing and catching frog. Okay, so we have 20 of these. Let's see how many fish we catch tonight. Okay, let's go. And we're gonna put all of this in this rice farm. So all of this, we're gonna put 20 of this. Let's put the first one. I'm gonna leave this one in this area and then just clear a little bit and then don't put it to this. So this one gonna be the last one, and then we will waiting for a little while, and then we just go back to the previous one to check how it's going. Okay, let's go. I saw the sign a little bit on this one. Let's see what we catch. Hopefully it's big fish. Oh. No, nothing. It's gone. I see the frog there. It's so big. I'm gonna catch it. Yes! Yes! Oh my god, it's so big! This is the first one. It's really big. Yeah. Good one. Hey, this one is so big. This one big frog. Good, good, good. Oh, the little one. Oh. Let's see. This one. Yeah! Yay! This one big too! Yay! So lucky today. Let's see how many frog we catch tonight. This one. We got a big one too. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's been a while now, so we're gonna come back and check how it's going with fishing. Let's see. มาขอกินโอ้โหกุ้งเฮ้see what I catch the little prawn all gone already take this one กุ้ง it's too small to make tom yumกุ้ง anyway we gonna let it go nothing we have another 5 left let's see if we catch any we're gonna jump have to jump gonna leave this one here oh God help me what? Oh wow oh my God let's see what fish is it okay give me oh my God catfish you have to be careful when you touch this one yeah it can make you hurt and ooh, I don't think I can do it okay have to be careful with catfish otherwise it's gonna hurt you just put in here lucky me oh nothing oh yeah this one too oh my God be careful oh yes so this one is snake head yes this one they call snake head okay and we have 2 left we'll see let's seeฮัตตาหาได้ไหมลูกเราจะได้อีกไหมลูกใช่มี2 อันนะ okay this one the last one so and we catch 2 different kind of fish so we got 1 catfish and 1 snakehead okay so now it's time to go home and I'm very happy for today thank you guys for watching me ขอบคุณค่ะ